Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope everything is fine. My name is Dr. Kehkishan Kamran and I want to tell you about the homeopathic medicine for depression. Most of the people suffering from serious depression, there are higher level of anxiety and other mental illness, particularly among young people. And you all know very well that depression is not a good thing. It affects our whole body as well as our mind. Besides use of any medication, following are the most important things, and that if a person follow these things to for prevention of depression or any anxiety. Pray 5 times regularly, because if we connected to our God and leave all our matters, all our circumstances to Almighty God, then all problems become solved. Recite Quran regularly. Morning exercise or walk is most important thing for depression. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables and make social connection, positive social connection, meet friends or any people who are very active, and think positive is very important thing, because our brain is connected to our whole body. If our mind is upset, or if our mind is getting depressed, so our all body organs and our all body symptom become become not strong. So if our mind is active and is if our mind is strong, that our all system become strong. So think positive and do these things to prevent depression. The first medicine is aurum metallicum. The symptom including the person is very responsible, ambitious, and loss of money, respect and love. And the second point is life has lost value, hopeless, despair. The person is very hopeless and very despair, and fits of anger, sense of failure, worthlessness, blame himself, guilt. A person is very guilty about himself. Symptom increase in night and cold, and symptom better in evening, in open air, in warmth, and for music. Person talk of committing suicide, and constant rapid questioning without waiting for reply. All the symptom related this medicine, naming aurum metallicum. Second medicine is Ignatia amara. The person is very idealistic, romanticist, responsible, silent, grief. And one of the special feature or the main feature of this medicine is that if a lover break his heart, this medicine is used. Broken heart from love, shock, fright, very upset, anger. Alternating mood, weeping and laughter. Cramps, spasms. Symptom worse from consolation, sensitive to touch, tobacco, coffee. Sighing, sobbing, lump in throat, and the person bite the lips. And this medicine is very important in those person who engage someone in love, and their heart is broke by loved ones. Another medicine is natrum mure. The person suffered from bad past experience, and the specialty of this medicine is past experiences and deep emotional wound, silent suppressed grief, responsible, sympathetic to other sufferings, and this person is very empathy. Forsaken seek solitude, feel isolated and averse to consolation, hopeless person, and dwells on past trauma and self-blame. All the symptoms are related to this medicine. Medicine name Pulsatilla. The person is very sweet and gentle person, uh, can't refuse others and need to give and receive love, want company and consolation, and very emotional, weep easily, moody, rigid ideas and picky. And the specialty of this medicine is weeping. The person is very weepy, and if he goes to a doctor and tell about his symptom, so he or she weep easily. All symptom increase by heat, evening and menses, and all symptom better by fresh air, gentle motion. And this medicine is very important in severe depression in women. The last medicine named sepia, and this medicine is important for hormonal disturbances or any person suffer from business or family worries. Overwhelmed person, tired, indifferent to loved ones, emotionally closed and very cold person, desires solitude but very silent person, and also like someone available nearby. Symptom increase by cold, overcast, consolation, and near around menses, and better if occupied. And this is very important medicine for females, female hormonal disturbances, and also another menstrual problems, and also all female ovaries problems cured by this medicine.